First of all, I would like to thank Skylabs for the free online course for learning and enhancing our knowledge. It is the first assignment, which is the modeling and design of a tall building. You can see the dimension and plans of the building. The dimension of the beams and columns are shown in the figure. The dimension of slab and the grade of concrete is also shown. Here they have told to consider the parameters in Bangalore, but I am taking the parameters for the Jaipur city. The wind parameters will be changed as per the IS 875. So let's start with the working of the project. I have made the modeling of the building, and in this video I will just show the analysis and the designing of the building. First of all, I will like to short description of the procedure. There are only 5 parts for this procedure. First of all, modeling of the building is done. Modeling of building done. In this, we define the section and properties of the materials we used. Then we draw the column, beam, slabs, and then the loads are defined and assigned, and then the final analysis is done. So I show you how I have defined the properties. You can edit. You can see the stories and dimension of the building from starting. Here is all the details of the stories. I have select as per given 1 to 8 have different dimension, then 9 to 14 different dimension. So as per the details, you can set or edit the story data. Here the material properties are defined, which I have already assigned. The concrete grade, steel, and HYSD 250 and HYSD 450. These are the steel grade and M40 concrete grade. Then there is a section property for slab. Section property is a frame section. Here I have as per given beam and column dimension, I have set the dimension of the beam and column. Then the auto select beam and auto select column option I added. Then there is a slab section for the slab dimension. You can see here I have just the detail of the slab. You can see here 150 dimension of the slab, M40 grade. Then the loads are defined. You can see here the load patterns: dead load, wind load. You can modify or add the loads as per here. Again, I have taken Jaipur as city, so the wind speed is 47 as per the code. The terrain category is 3 and structure class is C. And you can refer the IS code for the K1 and K3 factor for different regions. I have chosen 1 for both as per the IS code. You can define the load combination by setting the default design combos. Then you can draw the beam column as per the given plans. Quick draw options is there. Many options for drawing and as suitable for your drawing. For slab, you can choose the quick draw floors option. For assigning the loads, on dead and live load, you can just choose shell loads uniform by selecting the stories data. I have already applied the loads as per given. Make sure you choose all stories or one story according to your needs and the dimension you wish to have to apply. You can you can see the loads which are assigned. For dead and live load you can see the shell load, and for cladding load you can see frame. So we are showing the dead load. Here the dead load is showing. For live load you can choose the live load option. Now for defining the wind coefficient, you can select the elevation plan and then assigning the wind coefficient as per the IS code. I have already applied the wind coefficient, as you can see. You can see the if you have assigned the correct loads on this joint or shell by selecting this different frame and sections and the stories. Now we will analyze the building which is drawn here. Run analysis. It will take some time. Here the deflector displacement shape is shown of the building. You can view the properties by clicking the different section do you want. Now we will design the, you can choose concrete frame option, view, IS code is to be selected, click OK. Design option, concrete frame, start design and check. It will shows that 716 concrete frames are not as per the design, so you can reiterate analysis and design, as we have selected auto select beam and column options, so you have to click yes. It will run the analysis again with choosing different section automatically. After analyzing, the longitudinal reinforcement will be shown. You can select and view the details of the longitudinal reinforcement. After analyzing and designing, you can verify that all members pass the design section. You can verify all member passed concrete frame design, and this will show all concrete frame pass the design check, so your design is correct. You can view the reports of the summary on the project by double clicking it. It will assemble the details and show you the project report. You can view the project report. The details for various properties, assignment, loads, functions are shown in this report. Summary report you can also check. You can also view the deform shape and press force test diagram from this. This is the resultant diagram. You can show the values if you want to check the values, show values, apply. Values will be shown. You can close this and to display link forces, axial forces in direction. You can apply. Check the moments in M33, you can apply as well. So this is the project finally completed, assignment first. Thank you all.